Ever considered how vital breathing is, beyond its primary function of keeping us alive? It's easy to take our breath for granted, given how automatic and effortless it is. But the truth is, breathing is a complex process that plays a fundamental role in our existence and well-being. Let's take a moment to appreciate what happens when we breathe. As we inhale, we draw oxygen into our lungs. This oxygen is then absorbed into our bloodstream and transported to every cell in our body. Why is this important? Well, oxygen is a crucial ingredient in a process called cellular respiration, where our cells generate the energy needed to carry out their functions. Whether it's your brain cells firing as you solve a puzzle, your heart cells contracting to pump blood, or your muscle cells working as you lift a weight, all cellular activities hinge on this energy. Now, imagine what would happen if this oxygen supply were to stop. Our cells would be unable to produce energy, leading to a breakdown in bodily functions. In fact, within just a few minutes of oxygen deprivation, irreversible damage can occur, especially in the brain. This underscores the indispensability of our breath in life sustenance. But the story of breath doesn't end with oxygen and energy. The act of breathing also helps to regulate our body's pH balance, or expel waste products, and even support our immune system. Furthermore, breathing is intimately connected with our nervous system, influencing our stress levels, mental clarity, and emotional state. Perhaps most intriguingly, our breath serves as a bridge between the conscious and unconscious aspects of our existence. While breathing happens automatically, we also have the ability to control it consciously. This unique characteristic of breath opens the door to a wide range of breathwork practices designed to enhance our health, well-being, and self-awareness. So the next time you take a breath, remember, you're not just keeping yourself alive. You're engaging in a profound act that connects you to the very essence of life. Without breath, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. Did you know that your breath can be a potent tool to combat stress? Just like a trusty sidekick, our breath is always with us, ready to spring into action at the first signs of stress. When we engage in conscious, deep breathing, we're not just filling our lungs with air, we're summoning our body's relaxation response. This response is a powerful ally in our fight against stress. As we breathe deeply, we communicate to our body that it's time to unwind, to let go of the tension. This triggers a decrease in the production of stress hormones, those pesky little chemicals that can leave us feeling on edge, anxious, and overwhelmed. Simultaneously, deep breathing promotes a sense of calm and well-being, like a gentle wave washing over us, smoothing the rough edges of our day. So remember, when stress starts to creep in, take a few deep breaths. Yes, a few deep breaths can be a game changer in stressful situations. What if I told you that your breath could sharpen your mind? Indeed, it is true. Proper breathing is not only essential for our physical well-being, but also plays a pivotal role in enhancing our mental clarity and focus. When you breathe deeply and consciously, you feed your brain with more oxygen. And this, my friend, is the secret fuel that your brain craves. Oxygen is like a supercharger for our brains. It enhances the performance of our gray matter, making it work more efficiently. And when our brain works better, we think better. We make decisions with more clarity, our focus sharpens, and our cognitive abilities, they just level up. So the next time you're in a situation where you need to think on your feet, remember to breathe deeply and consciously. Because when you breathe right, you give your brain the best possible conditions to operate. Breathe right, and you might just think better. Ever noticed how your breathing changes with your emotions? It's no coincidence. Our breath and emotions are intrinsically linked. When we're anxious or upset, our breath tends to become shallow and rapid. On the other hand, feeling relaxed often corresponds with slow, deep breaths. But here's the fascinating part. This relationship is not one way. Just as our emotions can influence our breathing can influence our emotions. By consciously controlling our breath, we can regulate our emotional state. This is where breathwork techniques come into play. Techniques such as deep diaphragmatic breathing or rhythmic breathing can help us calm our mind, manage stress, and even release suppressed emotions. Breathwork is not just about physical health, it's a powerful tool for emotional healing too. By understanding and harnessing this power, we can navigate our emotional landscape more effectively. So the next time you feel emotionally overwhelmed, remember this: your breath could be the key to emotional balance. Did you know that your breath could boost your physical health? That's right. The way we breathe has a direct impact on our overall physical wellness. Deep diaphragmatic breathing, for instance, is a real game changer. This form of breathing invigorates our respiratory function, leading to better circulation. When our blood circulation is efficient, it translates into improved delivery of oxygen and nutrients to our cells, resulting in enhanced energy and vitality. But the benefits don't stop there. Deep diaphragmatic breathing also has a positive effect on digestion. By stimulating the digestive organs, it aids in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients more effectively. It's like giving your digestive system a little boost. Additionally, this type of breathing supports detoxification. It stimulates the lymphatic system, our body's natural detoxification mechanism, helping to rid the body of waste and toxins. And let's not forget about the immune system. By reducing stress, deep breathing can also bolster your immune function, helping to ward off illness. So you see, breathing right could mean living right. What if your breath could help you understand yourself better? Imagine having a tool at your disposal that could unlock a deeper understanding of your mind, body, and emotions. That tool, my friends, is your breath. Through the practice of breathwork, we can cultivate a heightened sense of self-awareness. Breathwork allows us to tap into our internal processes, to feel the rhythm of our own life force. As we tune into the rise and fall of our breath, we become more attuned to our physical presence, our thoughts, and our emotions. This kind of mindfulness can lead to profound self-discovery. This heightened awareness can be transformative. It can help us recognize our patterns, confront our fears, and embrace our strengths. It can lead to personal growth, improved mental health, and a deeper understanding of ourselves. So breathe with intention, with awareness. Your breath might just be a gateway to self-discovery. If you've enjoyed exploring the power of breath with us, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Tap the like button if this video resonated with you. We'd also love to hear your experiences with breathwork in the comments below. If you know someone who could benefit from harnessing the power of breath, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Remember, every breath you take holds incredible potential. Discover it.